Are you tired of trying diet after diets, spending countless hours exercising only to see minimal results? Stubborn weight gain and difficulty shedding those extra pounds are challenges many of us face, and they often go beyond just willpower. Factors like a sluggish metabolism, low energy, and hormonal imbalances can make weight loss feel impossible. That's where Mitolyn comes in. A revolutionary weight loss supplement designed to target the root causes of weight gain and supercharge your metabolism for real sustainable results. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about it, but first let me tell you that I left you the link for the official website below in the description of my video. Mitolyn works by focusing on your mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells. Your mitochondria play a vital role in how your body burns calories and generates energy. When they aren't functioning optimally, your metabolism slows down, leading to fat storage and weight gain. Mitolyn restores mitochondrial health and enabling your body to burn fat more efficiently and feel energized throughout the day. Not only does it help boost your fat burning capabilities, but it also addresses other common weight loss obstacles like inflammation, cravings, and lack of energy. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or struggling to break through a plateau, Mitolyn gives your body the boost it needs. There are countless weight loss supplements on the market, but most of them rely on short-term fixes like appetite suppression or water weight reduction. Mitolyn stands out by targeting your cellular energy production, ensuring long-term weight loss by improving how your body burns calories. So it will boost fat metabolism, improve energy levels, reduce inflammation, and support your overall health. Mitolyn contains cutting-edge ingredients that will enhance mitochondrial efficiency and fat burning potential. It only uses natural ingredients that won't bring in side effects for you. It helps regulate your hormones like insulin and cortisol, which are often barriers to effective weight loss. And Mitolyn amplifies the benefits of physical activities, helping you burn more calories and recover faster, all right? So it's perfect for anyone looking for being healthier or slimmer. My only alert about Mitolyn, guys, is where you're going to get it from because it is only sold on the official website, nowhere else. That's why I left the link just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can get it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video until here. I hope I have helped you and see you guys around.